agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers in this competition. As a competitor of this game, I do hereby solemnly swear and agree to play the game in the highest forms and standards of disciplines and sportsmanship. I do hereby solemnly swear and declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of true sportsman in words and in deeds. So help me God.
Thank you for that, Vincent. Keep it, for that. And that's you. Okay, so